Hey everybody, my name is Ethan Ostroff. Please excuse my nasally voice. I am not feeling my best today. I have a little bit of a sinus infection. I'm going to be talking deep about dog bites today. I can't slow down my content because I have too much content to record. But yes, of course, I got my COVID test. It came back negative. Just not feeling totally 100% today. But diving deep into a specific area, why hire a dog bite lawyer? But before I get into that, make sure to click that subscribe button, follow along. We're going to make sure that you protect your future personal injury case and so that you don't ever get into a situation where you do something that you regret down the line. My goal today is to make sure you understand that. But before I get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along, make sure that you understand the most important things about your future personal injury case. That's what my page is dedicated to. So today, why hire a dog bite lawyer? Such an important area of the law. I have some controversial opinions about this area of the law. I'm going to go into a little bit of them. The first and most important thing, why do you do it? Why do you hire a dog bite lawyer? My number one reason is it's not the dog's fault. It's the owner's fault. If a owner treats a dog right, trains them correctly, of course there are some exceptions, but if a owner treats a dog correctly, they are pure nature over nurture. Their nature is to be kind. If the nurture is not kind, that pit bull or that any type of dog, they're going to become mean if they are treated mean. So when you are thinking about, do I bring a case? Do I bring a claim? Do I do anything about my kid getting attacked or myself getting attacked? Common misconception number one, will a dog get put down if I bring a personal injury case? The answer is, on the first bite, typically no. Okay? States are different, state by state, but the main common general rule is that on the first bite, it sort of gets a free pass. So if it's the first time that this dog ever did anything, and there were maybe multiple reported incidents that maybe there were multiple incidents that should have been reported. Let's say you were the third bite, but the first reported one, if you don't do anything, that next bite could kill somebody. So if you are really going back and forth, do I do something about it? Do I bring a case? Do I not bring a case? Do I hire a lawyer? Do I not hire a lawyer? The most important thing to think about on that side of that dog is not going to get put down. At the worst, they would be named a dangerous dog, and they would be kept with a muzzle. That is the worst case scenario. Or if that dog has bit multiple people, has attacked multiple people, there is a chance that dog will get euthanized. But I own a dog. I am of the opinion that people and people's safety is more important than a dangerous dog surviving. That is my personal opinion, but I still want to make sure that I'm on the same page with you guys. I don't blame dogs. I blame the people who own dogs. If they treat that dog poorly, that dog's going to become a dangerous dog. If you treat a dog fairly and correctly, that dog will never hurt anybody. So that's really the main point and biggest misconception I hear from people is that dog will get put down. Another piece, it's sort of the deterrence aspect of it. If you choose not to bring your claim or to talk to an injury lawyer or to deal with the situation proactively, the next time that dog attacks somebody, it could be way worse than your attack. I can tell you from experience, I signed up a case where a pit bull was clearly being abused. It was fenced in on the front of the lawn. It was actually left outside pretty frequently. And what happened was that dog would escape and attack people. In fact, my client was the 7th person bit in 2 days out of 7 people. The dog owner skipped town with that dog. And, the first 6 people didn't want to do anything about it. It took until my client had both of her ankles bit so bad that she lost part of her calf due to infection. She broke both of her legs from just the sheer bite. It went from one leg, then it went and bit the other leg, then it went back. If you saw the video of this, it was horrible. One of the worst cases I've ever had to represent somebody through. And the truth is, if somebody had reported that dog bite before, it might not have happened. So I know it might feel insensitive to bring a dog bite case, to actually file suit, or to actually hold that owner accountable. Remember, you're not holding the dog accountable. You're holding the owner accountable. And on top of that, common misconception number 3, that dog owner isn't even going to pay you for your injuries. That dog owner's insurance company will. So, not only is it not the dog's fault, it's the owner's fault, but the owner, if they have insurance, they're going to get the settlement, the verdict, their court costs, the lawyer costs, everything gets paid for by their insurance company. So you don't have to feel like you're putting that person through a hardship. Really, there are so many misconceptions about dog bites that are really difficult to, just dive into because it's such a sensitive area. Nobody wants to be the reason why a dog gets put down. Nobody wants to be the reason why an owner has to go to court. But really, it's about protecting the community. If you don't protect the community, then more dogs are going to be off and wild and hurting people. So why you hire a dog bite lawyer? Number 1, that dog won't likely get put down. Number 2, it's the owner's fault. It's not the dog's fault. Number 3, the owner does not pay you if they have insurance. Their insurance company pays you for everything. And number 4, most importantly, if you don't do anything about it, somebody else in the future might get seriously, maybe catastrophically injured from that same dangerous dog. I hope that you have never gone through something like this, but if you or a loved one ever have any questions about this kind of case, click below. I have a free case evaluation link down there. And make sure to hit that subscribe button where I'll make sure to protect your future personal injury case. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to hop on the phone with you 7 days a week. Make sure that you completely understand your situation because nobody ever expects to be a plaintiff. If you ever have any questions, reach out. Again, thanks so much for joining. My name is Ethan Ostroff. I'm a personal injury lawyer, and I hope that you never need to hire me, but I'm here for you if you do. Thanks.